Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a super easy Dutch braided ponytail. First you're going to want to start off by doing a deep side part, and then I'm going to take this L'Oreal Professional morning after dust spray, which is kind of like a dry shampoo, and I'm just going to spray that in my root, just to add a little bit of extra texture, and it makes it a little bit easier to braid. So I'm going to lift up a section, spray it at my root, lift up another section, and then work that in with my fingers. Next step is to create a clean braiding section. So what I've done is I have my deep side part here, and then from the crown of my head, which is this very top part here, I've drawn a part line all the way down to meet my ear. So this Dutch braid is going to follow close to our hairline. So it's going to start here and go all the way down, touch the top of our ear, and back into a ponytail. So to create a Dutch braid, I'm taking a small section right by the part line. I'm going to split that into 3 sections, 1, 2, 3. And to create a Dutch braid, all you're doing is a regular braid stitch, but it's going under instead of over. So I'm taking this section, going under the middle, and I'm taking this outside section and going under the new middle. And then you're going to pick up a sliver of hair on each side, and then repeat that. So outside goes under, and then your other outside goes under. So after I've done a couple of the braid stitches, I'm going to go through and do what's called pancaking. So basically what you're going to do is just take the outside edge of the braid and pull at it so it makes it a little bit bigger. And for when I'm doing this braid, I like to pancake the braid quite a bit because it gives it a really cool effect. So just play around with it and pull it out. So I see it made the braid a lot bigger. And I'm going to go through and continue to braid. So same thing, picking up a piece of hair on each outside edge and going under the middle on one side and then under the middle on the other side. Under and then under again. And then after I've done a few more stitches, I will go through and pancake these pieces. So once I've reached the end and I have no more hair to pick up, as you can see, I've pancaked it all the way through. I'll probably end up going through a little bit more and playing around with it. I'm just gonna continue by braiding all the way down, but now without adding hair in. So just going under, and then same idea, do a few stitches and then pancake these outside edges. And then once you reach the very end, I'm going to take a clip and just secure it. Finish my braid, as you can see, and then I've let the rest of my hair down. Now all you have to do is put your hair into a ponytail. I like to do this as a low ponytail, and I'm just gonna fix any bumps or anything with a comb. And then I just take my braid, add it into the ponytail, take my elastic, and just secure it. And then at this time I would take out the clip that's holding the braid together. Tighten that, and then I like to go in and play with the braid a little bit more, just make it a little bit messier, play around with it until you get it how you like it. Now to finish off this hairstyle, I'm just going to use this L'Oreal Professional powder spray, and I'm just going to spray it just on the braid just to make sure that there's no flyaways or anything like that, to keep it all nice and secured. And that is your finished hairstyle.